meron kasing isang namatay, Sir, may isang namatay, binaril, may nakalagay doon na placard na Davao Death Squad.
Yeah, that
Mr.
was,
Chair.
no need to strike it out if that is the real way that the mayor then phrased his sentence. Okay, but,
Can I just continue?
as chairman, Mr. President, fact-finding muna. General Gamboa, you were formerly Chief of Police of Davao.
Lahat yan sila.
Yes, answer. Yes or no? Yes?
No, sir.
No. Okay. General Danao, former Police Chief of Davao?
Yes, sir.
Okay. General Sinas, former Police Chief of Davao?
No, sir.
No. Catalino Coy, former Police Chief of Davao?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about Karamat, former Police Chief of Davao? Ah? Sa mic, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, para klaro. Okay. Sige. So,
just
Ako,
you
Mr.
have the
Chair.
floor, Senator.
Mr. Chair,
has the floor. Okay.
Ako, hindi mo ko tanungin?
Yes. We need to
Former
ask you,
Chief of Police ako ng
Because
Davao.
alam ko chief ka ng police, but former chief
Yeah.
of the Davao Police.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Mr. Chair,
Sige,
kanina,
yes. He's
you allow
allowing
me
you. Sige,
short,
one.
short introduction. And, Mr. Chair, yung DDS, yung term ng DDS, siguro sa amin dito, Danao, General Coy, General Gamboa was never a chief of police, but na-assign yan sa Davao, sa Police Regional Office 11. Ako, assign ako ng Davao as City Director. At doon ako nagsimula yung career ko sa Davao City. Just this weekend, Mr. Chair, in-interview ako ng mga media ng Davao nung umuwi ako. And harap-harapan, sinabihan ko sila, kayo kasi, mga media ng Davao, kayo nag-imbento nung term ng Davao Death Squad. Pag may namatay, binabalita kagad niyo, Davao Death Squad, Davao Death Squad. Kayo ang nag-imbento ng term na yan. Sabi ko sa media ng Davao. And later on, one of the media ng Davao, dinibunk yung aking statement. Sabi niya, sir, with due respect, bago namin yan na-create, yung term na yan ng Davao Death Squad, meron kasing isang namatay, Sir, may isang namatay, binaril, may nakalagay doon na placard na Davao Death Squad. Kaya doon nag-start yung paggamit namin ng term ng Davao Death Squad. So therefore, sabi ko, okay, I will correct my statement. Hindi kayo ang nag-imbento, but kayo ang nag-propagate ng word na yan. So yun na, lumaki na nagiging ginamit niya. Pag may binaril, sabihin kagad, Davao Death Squad. Kahit na binaril dahil jealousy ang motibo, or kaya malaking utang, nakadispal ko ng pera, binaril, DDS kagad ang pinapalabas na term. So, yan na, lumaki na yung pangalan na Davao Death Squad, Mr. Chair.
Yan na po yung intervention niya po.
Yan, na yun na. Thank you.
Sige po.